Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you something crazy. You're going to get paid to chat, text, and flirt with men online. So let's get started right now. Okay guys, obviously this is not for everyone. Okay, may I repeat, this is a method to get paid to chat, to text, and flirt with men. Okay, so if you are a guy and want other guys to flirt with you or talk to you, this could be it, but I don't think the sites that I'm going to show you today will allow that. So this video, the sites I'm going to show you is for the ladies, okay? And it's going to be worldwide. It's going to be easy because you just got to be yourself, and you're going to be your own boss though, okay? And you need to be, of course, 18 plus, and in some cases, you may need to be 21 and older. So it just depends on the site. Also, this is going to be safe to do because you're online and you're not going to be touching anybody. You're not going to be having any contact with anybody. This is all going to be done through websites, through apps, and whatever the sites will provide you. So there is no personal information that can be transferred, only if you allow that to be given to the people that you talk to, okay? So this is gonna be a fun way to make money online, and probably the last time I make a video about this, okay? So let's show you the first site. Here it is. The first site is called Chat Recruit at chatrecruit.com. So this one is in the UK, but this is for worldwide, okay? Online service for performers worldwide. Well, they say performers because, you know, you gotta perform a little, like, you know, you gotta be flirty. Not that I know how to do this job. Okay, so sell your content and live shows easily. Of course, you don't need to do what you don't want to do, okay? So you're going to choose the methods that you want for this particular site. You don't have to use the site. I'm going to give you some options in this video, and you're going to pick the one that you feel comfortable with, all right? So choose your hours, fast cash, and safe and secure, because you're going to get paid here directly into your bank account. They don't use PayPal or any other options. It's only directly to your bank account. So your bank needs to be able to receive ACH transfers. And here you get to be your own boss. So choose the service you want. We specialize in enabling online entertainment services and provide the perfect platform for content creators, phone chat hosts, webcam models, and sidekick hosts. Well, of course, you need to be a sidekick to do that part, okay? So you could do a webcam chat if you're comfortable using a webcam to chat. Cam from laptop, PC, mobile, or tablet. No downloads. Log on, choose your rates, and make money. Or you could do phone chat. Take calls on your landline or mobile. Make money on the go. And then you could do messaging as well. Answer direct messages from your customers at any time. Reach thousands of customers, and they've already paid out over 20 million pounds to their chat hosts. And here are some other information. Got a question? Want to know more about us? Okay, so there's no upfront fees. You're just going to be charged a fee when you earn money for using their platform. Do you accept registrations from webcam hosts and phone chat hosts from outside the UK? We certainly do. We have hundreds of hosts from around the world who perform using our phone, cams, psychic chat, and messaging service platform. There might be some restrictions, but register today and we'll get back to you straight away. And is the personal details safe with Chat Recruit? Absolutely. Your safety and security is a priority, and they will never be passed on to or accessed by any third parties. How do you get paid? They're going to pay you directly to your bank account. And if you live outside of the UK and Europe, we pay via international bank transfer direct into your bank account. So you have to use your bank account, okay? So that's this site. Okay, so this one is actually pretty good. This one's called friendly.com. Friendly at friendly.com. This one, you're going to get paid while making his day. Why struggle to make ends meet when you could get paid to flirt on Friendly? So this one is about, let's see, make money. You're a vibrant, attractive woman looking to earn some money using your natural appeal to men. You've considered the options, campsites, adult dating, sugar daddy arrangement sites, but have longed for something less extreme and more convenient. So enter Friendly, where you earn money while having fun flirting via your phone. We keep your number safe and private because everything happens through the special Friendly relay numbers. No need to reveal your digits. Your entire business fits in your pocket. So how it works: when someone shows interest in you on Friendly, they share a drink with you that has real monetary value. You receive the benefit of their generosity and the cash value of the drink. This keeps great people like you on the site. People who reach out to you will be more focused and respectful of your time. It's win-win. So for this one, I have some money information. Now that friends have shared drinks with you, you can turn those drinks into cash to keep or to donate if you want. The amount that you earn for each interaction depends on the interaction type. You will keep 35 cents per volley for chat. I'm not sure what per volley means, and you probably need to research more into that. 70% of phone and video call earnings and 90% of gifts. So this particular site, I guess, is not worldwide. So this one's going to be for US, since they need US based bank accounts and they don't offer anything else. So the next site I want to show you is called Flirt Bucks at flirtbucks.net. Ever wish you could get paid to chat? Do you have an engaging personality and love to talk to new and interesting people? Do you love to spend time on social networking and online community sites? So all these things is saying, if you say yes to them, then you could become a chat hostess where motivated women who enjoy chatting and socializing online are looking to earn big bucks. Okay, so here we pay you to chat, not perform. Okay, so you're just strictly for this particular site, you're going to be just chatting. Flirt Bucks is not a cam performer, psychic line, or phone actress program. You don't have to pretend to be someone else, take orders from anyone, and no nudity is required. As a chat hostess, we encourage you to be yourself. Unlike other programs, Flirt Bucks puts you in control. You only chat with users you want to chat with and talk about things you want to discuss. You can multitask. You have good conversation skills and a great personality. You too can make great money working from your own home. Think you got what it takes? If you're a woman of at least 18 years of age and have access to a computer with a webcam and a high-speed internet connection, you have all the tools you need to get started. No hardware or software to buy, no application fees. With FlirtBucks, you work the hours you choose, morning, noon, or middle of the night, for as long or as little as you want, so you can apply right there. So here you're going to get paid by check or PayPal, so this is going to be a little bit more flexible in the payment arrangement. FlirtBucks is a completely internal system. You don't have to market yourself on an outside website or upsell conversation. Just participate in our already active online community. So this is a very good aspect of the site, guys or ladies, because you're just going to be using this one site. You don't have to go out and promote yourself or anything like that. So this is going to be good, and there's no minimum hours. You just basically write your own checks. So the next one I was going to show you is Lip Service at lipservice.net. So actually this one's a little bit different. They are actually a fulfillment solutions. This is like a recruiting company. And so they help businesses. If a business need let's say a model for a trade show or some kind of display that they need at a store or something like that. So you could be one of these types of people that gets hired for this purpose. So if you want to get started to be a person like that, you could click there to get started, and you get to this page which will give you even more info. So from small businesses to large national and international businesses, more companies are discovering how Lip Service Inc. provides them a bottom line advantage. We specialize in all facets of staffing, from phone operators to models for trade shows, etc. Seeking to lend your talents so you can be working for them as one of these people. Get paid one of the highest rates for talk time offered, but first see if you got what it takes. So you need to have a dedicated landline or a high quality cell phone with headset, a great voice or personality, be reliable, live in the US or Canada. So this particular one is not worldwide, guys. Be 18 years or over, and some positions may be over 21. This is because if you were to, let's say, hand out alcohol, you would need to be over 21. And then you need to be working on a PC or Mac and have a stable access to email and web. That's for this particular one. And this other one is called My Girl Fun. So this particular one, if I just go to the front page, there's really nothing there. It's just this login. So you gotta go to FAQ. So you could take a look at the general FAQs, but I'm just gonna go and focus on what the ladies need to do. So looking to make some extra cash while flirting with guys online, you have come to the right place. Maybe you like it really naughty or just suggestively playful. The great thing about My Girl Fund is you set your own boundaries and you're in full control of your earning potential. So their members are there to spend time on the platform, to have a fun way to kind of flirt and talking to a sexy girl next door kind of thing. And so you will enjoy great company and meeting interesting people, all while earning extra cash. So everything is safe. Strictly prohibit the exchange of personal information. Who can see my photos and videos? You have privacy settings that you have fully customizable privacy settings, so that's no problem. Do I have to pay to join? No, you don't pay to join. How much money can I make? The sky's the limit. You choose how much time you spend interacting, and you receive 1 credit for every message reply you send to one of our members. The only set rate we have is the amount you make when responding to a message. If you decide to take things to the next level in a fun, sexy chat, you set your own hours or you set your own rates. So that's for this particular one. And that is what I have for you today. And if you don't like any of this type of work, or it's not going to work out for some reason, try the link in my video description. Try the second link in the video description. It's going to be doing something that's more your parents will be proud of. I don't know. But there's nothing wrong with chatting with men, okay? You're not doing anything that will risk your health in any way, and all your information is protected and confidential. So these are just fun ways for you to earn online, and I just want to do this video because it was fun for me to check these out, and it's like, whoa, this is available. Okay, if my business don't work out, now I know what to do. Okay, so again, if you wanted to do a business like mine instead and earn passive online income, check out that second link in the video description, and I will be happy to help you with that one instead. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. At least hopefully it was a good laugh for you to check these out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn even more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every week, so get notified. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.